We all feel stress sometimes, whether it's at work, home, or while traveling. Stress can come from things like a tough day at work, too much to do, or just everyday annoyances like traffic jams. Feeling stressed for a long time can make it hard to think, feel, and do our best. But nobody's life is totally free of stress. It's important to learn how to handle it. Here are 3 easy ways to deal with stress and a bonus tip at the end just for you. So keep watching. Number 1. Self-affirming conversations. Okay, let's be frank here. We all chat with ourselves. Sometimes we say things out loud, but mostly it's in our minds. When we talk to ourselves, it can either be uplifting like, "I've got this," or bring us down like, "I'll never improve," or "I'm not smart." The negative stuff, huh? Well, it can stress us out. But if we switch it up to positive self-talk, like, "I'll be fine," or "I can handle this," it can help us chill out and handle stress better. With a bit of practice, we can turn those negative thoughts into positive ones. To provide you with an example, it can go like, instead of saying, "I'm unable to do this," tell yourself, "I'll give it my best shot."
I'm capable.
Instead of feeling, "I despise when this occurs," reassure yourself, "I've faced this before, and I know how to handle it." Instead of feeling, "I'm powerless and isolated," remind yourself, "I can always seek support if necessary. I'm not alone." For positive self-talk to become a habit, try practicing it daily. You can do it while driving, sitting at your desk, before bedtime, or whenever negative thoughts pop up. It's also a wonderful habit to introduce to children. Number 2. Limit your social media usage. Cutting down on social media time is important. It's not just about what you see on there that can stress you out, but also because you might miss out on spending quality time with friends, enjoying the outdoors, or diving into a good book. Plus, scrolling through social media before bed can mess with your sleep and make it harder to relax, leading to less restful sleep overall. So, it's a good idea to manage how much time you spend on social media each day. Number 3. Spend quality time with family and friends. Support from friends and family can be a crucial factor in navigating challenging periods and managing stress. A study conducted in 2019 involving 163 Ladings college-age young adults revealed a correlation between reduced levels of support from friends, family, and romantic partners and increased feelings of loneliness, depressive symptoms, and perceived stress. Maintaining a social support network is integral to fostering mental well-being. If you find yourself lacking companionship and reliable relationships, seeking out social support groups can be beneficial. Engaging in activities such as joining clubs, participating in sports teams, or volunteering for meaningful causes can help alleviate feelings of isolation and provide a sense of belonging. As promised, bonus tip: cut down on your caffeine intake. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and energy drinks, acts as a stimulant for your central nervous system. Excessive consumption of caffeine can exacerbate anxiety, as highlighted in a literature review conducted in 2021. Additionally, overindulgence in caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, consequently heightening symptoms of stress and anxiety. Individual tolerance levels to caffeine vary. Should caffeine intake result in feelings of jitteriness or anxiety, it may be prudent to reduce consumption by substituting caffeinated beverages with decaffeinated options such as coffee, herbal tea, or water. While coffee can be good for you in small amounts, it's best to limit how much caffeine you take. But if caffeine makes you feel anxious or stressed, it's important to listen to your body and be mindful of your caffeine sensitivity. Here you have it. These steps may help you in reducing your stress level and feeling more relaxed and sound. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check other videos as well to grow more on this channel. Happy watching!